The drone lifted slowly into the air. At first, there was nothing unusual about the scene. Golden sunlight reflected off the ocean's surface. Waves rolled gently toward the shore. A handful of surfers floated calmly, waiting for the perfect moment to catch the next wave. From above, it looked peaceful. Almost too peaceful. The kind of moment you'd expect to capture for a relaxing video. But within seconds, everything changed. The drone operator wasn't looking for anything unusual. He was simply filming the coastline, capturing the surfers, the water, the rhythm of the waves. Then, something flickered beneath the surface. A shadow, faint, barely visible. At first, it looked like nothing more than a darker patch of water. But then, it moved. The operator leaned closer to the screen, narrowing his eyes. "What is that?" The drone hovered, holding its position. The shadow grew clearer, long, sleek, deliberate, and moving far too smoothly to be random. A strange feeling crept in. The kind of instinct that tells you something isn't right, even before you understand why. But before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. One of the surfers began paddling. He turned his board, lining himself up with an incoming wave. Completely focused, completely unaware, and directly beneath him, the shadow followed. The drone operator's heart skipped. "No way!" He adjusted the angle slightly, zooming in. The water shifted. For a brief second, the sunlight pierced through just enough to reveal it. A fin. Then the outline of a body. Massive. There was no doubt anymore. It was a shark. And not just any shark. A great white. What made it worse wasn't just what it was. It was where it was. The shark wasn't far out in deep water. It wasn't even several meters away. It was directly under the surfer. Close enough that, from above, the board and the shark seemed almost connected. Just inches apart, the surfer dipped his hand into the water, steadying himself. The shark passed right beneath him. Silent, effortless, invisible from the surface. The drone operator froze. Should he try to warn him? Shout? Signal? But there was no way. No sound, no connection. Just him. And the screen. As if one wasn't enough, another shadow appeared. Further back at first. Then closer. Moving. Slowly, almost lazily, through the water. The operator shifted the drone again, scanning the area. His breathing became heavier. There's more. One shark, then two, then three. They weren't scattered randomly. They were moving through the same area, circling. Not aggressively, but deliberately. The ocean looked calm, but beneath the surface, it was something else entirely. Experts had been warning about this. Warmer water temperatures, shifting currents, an increase in marine life. Everything was aligning to create the perfect environment, especially for young great white sharks. This stretch of coastline had quietly become something unexpected, a nursery, a place where sharks could grow, feed, and move freely, closer to shore than ever before, closer to people. On the surface, nothing had changed. The surfers laughed, talked, adjusted their boards, waiting. One of them caught a wave and stood up. He rode it smoothly, gliding across the water with confidence. Below him, a shark adjusted its direction, following the same path. For a moment, it looked like it was tracking him, mirroring his movement. The distance between them? Almost nothing. The drone captured everything. A perspective no one else had. A truth hidden just beneath the surface. Then, something happened. The shark shifted suddenly, its body turned, a slight acceleration. The operator's heart jumped. Is it going to? But just as quickly, it stopped. The shark veered away, disappearing into deeper water. The surfer kept going, completely unaware of how close he had just come. This wasn't the first time, and it wouldn't be the last. Reports had already begun surfacing along the coast. Swimmers noticing shadows beneath them. Surfers feeling something brush past their boards. Sudden warnings, temporary beach closures, all signs pointing to the same thing. The sharks were coming closer. And they weren't leaving. The answer wasn't simple, but one factor stood out. The temperature of the water, it had been rising, gradually, unusually, and with it came changes in the ecosystem. More prey, more activity, more reasons for sharks to stay near the shoreline. What was once rare was becoming normal. Despite everything, attacks were still incredibly rare, statistically insignificant, but that wasn't what made this situation dangerous. It was the invisibility, the unpredictability, the fact that these encounters were happening constantly. Without anyone realizing it, the ocean hadn't become more dangerous overnight. It had just become different. The drone slowly climbed higher. The view widened. More surfers came into frame. Spread across the water, dozens of them, relaxed, carefree, and beneath them, shadows. Moving silently, crossing paths, appearing, then disappearing. The operator felt a chill run down his spine, because now he could see the full picture. Not just one close encounter, but many, happening at the same time. From the shore, everything looked safe. Families walked along the beach, people swam near the edge. Nothing suggested what was happening just a little further out. But the drone told a different story, one that couldn't be seen from the ground, one that changed everything. Experts believe this trend could continue: warmer oceans, changing habitats, more sharks near human activity, not because they're hunting people, but because their world is shifting, and we happen to be in the middle of it. As the drone battery began to drop, the operator let it hover one last time. The camera pointed straight down. One surfer, one shadow, moving slowly beneath him, perfectly aligned. Then, the image faded.